Mike Rhodes. How are you?
Well, hey, good to see you.
Nice to see you.
Yeah, hey, you're right on time, man.
Well, thanks. I try to be.
Yeah, you are. You're one of those squared away technical guys.
Well, you know, it's a long drive over here, but, you know, you're an important customer to me, so.
Well, great. Well, good to see you, yeah.
So be sure to get here on time.
What are you carrying?
Well,
what is it?
hang on.
I never saw you bring. What is it?
Never saw you bring. You're so enthusiastic. Well, listen, we've got this crazy product application engineer in our company and an equally crazy director of marketing. And they come out with what's called a cycle every quarter. And since you're one of my cycle customers, I've explained cycle selling to you before.
Yeah, you're in here all the time. Yeah.
And by the way, how was your Thanksgiving?
Oh, you know, it was great. It was. I took a bunch of time off, spent time with my family, went out in my boat. You know, my wooden boats.
Yeah, I know.
How was your Thanksgiving?
It was very quiet. We had a couple of friends over, the wife cooked, and we had a good evening. So it was good.
Well, great. Well, thanks for asking.
Yeah, things good here at Hammond Engineering?
Yeah, oh yeah, we're working on the new Dumaflogy, and it's really great, yeah.
Hank's still around?
Yeah, oh
Hank
yeah,
Campbell?
oh yeah, he's still here, sure. Yeah.
I call him the chief thinker-upper of things.
Yeah, he is, yeah.
Anyway, I know you're busy, so getting back to the idea of the cycle cell. So this cycle is what's called the indicator cycle. And I know you've seen our line card before, but we've customized it for this indicator cycle. We're featuring optical and audio indicators. It's still pretty much the same on the inside, but on the back, we've featured the suppliers that we're using for the optical and audio indicator cycle.
Yeah, I know some of those wires.
Sure,
Yeah,
sure
like Tyco.
Recognize it. Yeah, Tyco. Don't get me started on Tyco. But there's a very important question right here at the top. And it kind of sets the tone for the whole idea of the cycle, and that is, does your product need to get someone's attention with a light, a sound, or both?
Like a light bulb or something?
Could be a light bulb, but
like a sound?
it's small.
A sound like a speaker?
A beep, a
beep? Oh.
buzz.
Yeah.
We even have products that can enunciate and talk.
Yeah.
They do?
Yeah,
So,
sure. Well, you know,
great.
the Dumaflogy, you know.
I know the Dumaflogy.
Yeah, that has a speaker or something in it that makes noise. That's an old design that Hammond developed.
Right.
But yeah, the Dumaflogy could use
I thought there was something in there. So you already have a product that's spec'd in.
Yeah, sure do. Yeah.
Do you know whose product that is?
You know, I don't know. Let me look. Oh gosh, Kingbright? No, that's what was Kingbright?
They're optical.
Okay. Yeah.
Don't worry about it.
Okay. Yeah.
Do you think Betty up in purchasing would know?
Betty Buffalo would know.
Okay.
We buy probably 100 of those a week.
Great.
Some kind of speaker or something. Yeah.
I'll stop by and see Betty.
Sure.
If it's all right with you, I'll ask her to give me the manufacturer and their partner.
That's fine. You're here all the time. Betty knows you. We love you guys. So yeah.
So we may or may not have the line that you're currently using. So if we don't, can I offer you some crosses?
Sure. I mean, it's got a special footprint. It forms it in function, and of course, price.
Price.
Yeah.
Of course, sure.
Okay.
Do you know how those products are working? I mean, obviously it makes a noise or it lights up, but what is it ideal for your product?
You know, I heard the other day, I heard some guys talking about it needed to be louder, but not louder.
Mm-hmm.
You know? You know what I mean?
Pardon me.
Yeah, no problem. It needed to be louder, but not louder.
Yeah, I kind of understand. Maybe a different tone.
Yeah, or different pitch.
Pitch.
They said they needed it to be more annoying.
More annoying?
Yeah.
I can do more annoying.
Yeah.
I can do more annoying. Well, I'll go see Betty and we'll get some part numbers and.
She's your girl.
Right. But you know, like I said, if we don't have the line you're currently using, we'll show you some crosses, and if you need to change or you think you want something different, we've got lots of options to look at.
Well, you know, the Dumaflogy also has some lights,
and
I know those suckers burn out all the time. So you might
I'm going to
keep
show
that in mind.
you something in this black case that's going to solve that problem. But I don't want to go there yet.
Okay, that's fine.
So I'll go see Betty.
Yeah. And like I said, we have these things that light bulbs keep popping and stuff.
Okay.
And do my project. Yeah, okay.
Well, we're gonna get right there.
Okay.
So, you mentioned King Bright. Sounded like you knew about King Bright a little bit. But they're one of the suppliers that we're featuring. And just to let you know, the King Bright is kind of unique in that they make raw LEDs. They have a 410,000 square foot factory. Actually, it's 4 different factories over in China.
Wow.
And they make the little thing called a dice, or die, that all the little LEDs come from.
Wow.
They make 550 million. You want to guess
A
how
million?
often?
A year.
550 million? A year.
A year?
No, smaller.
I don't know.
A month.
Come on. 550 million
550
LEDs a month?
A month. Can you believe
Holy
it?
cow, King Bright. Wow.
They got 3,600 people at their time. But what that does for me and for you is that we have great pricing and good deliveries on their products.
Wow. Well, you know, on the new Statarounds, we're going to need some LEDs.
Statarounds?
Statarounds. We have the Dumafloges and Statarounds.
Is this another of Hank's?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. But I haven't heard about the Statarounds.
Yeah, S-T-A-T, Statarounds.
I'll make a note
And
of that.
when you fill it up on the bias, the Statarounds tells you if it's just right, and we're going to need some kind of buzzer or beeper and the lights.
Cool.
Do both. Yeah, we need that. Sure. Oh, yeah.
Well, then let me show you some things from King Bright.
Yeah. So King Bright makes 550 million a year. Wow.
No, a month.
Wow. That's incredible.
That's a lot, isn't it? And their product line is comprised of a number of different facets, but they're really known for surface mount.
Okay.
They still make through holes. They have some real unique colors. They have tricolor, all-in-one LED, and I'm going to show you this in a
Okay.
second.
Sure.
And they have a bright white, and they also make 7-segment displays. You're familiar with 7-segment
That's
displays?
you've actually got a little bar and there's 7 different numbers in there. Is that what that means?
No.
What is a 7-segment?
Well, I'm going to show you. Let me light one up, and then I'll explain what a 7-segment display is. This is a nice little demo box King Bright has sent us. These are 7-segment displays, so I'll just turn them on. But you see the figure 8 pattern? There's actually, if you count them, 7 segments.
Wow. I thought that meant you had 7 of those put together.
No.
Oh, so that.
And with 7 segments, you can make any number.
Right. Sure. Okay. Yeah.
Pretty cool.
Oh, I should know that.
I'd like to be the guy that thought that up.
Yeah. Pretty cool. Okay.
Hopefully you can.
Show me this tricolor thing.
Here's the tricolor. Watch this LED right here.
Oh, so you got 3 LEDs lined up and they light
No.
up?
Look, all of these are individual LEDs. They're all about the same size. But watch this one. When I press this button,
Okay.
I mean, these are distracting because they're lighting up too. But you notice they're all about the same size.
Well, they're pretty
This
colors.
one, yeah.
So that, okay, so that's red.
That's red right
Yeah.
now. Now it's blue.
Come on.
And now it's green.
So you're telling me you're getting 3 colors out of the same footprint that I'd have 3 LEDs?
That's not what I'm telling you, it's what I'm showing.
Wow, that's pretty cool. So it's red and then it turns blue and then it turns green.